Hi lovey, so today's video is a quick 5-minute challenge. So I'm going to take 5 minutes, set my timer to 5 minutes and try and do as much as I can within the 5 minutes. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started guys, I am going to do a review on a few products that Imperial's Home sent to me. So I want to give Imperial's Home, I want to say a huge thank you for sending me these lovely products. I can't wait to try them. So it's pillowcase and this set of towel, face towel and washcloth, and then this pillow. It's a throw pillow, and it came compressed. So it came compressed, wrapped up real tight. And once you open the package, it starts to fluff out, and it feels so soft. It feels so soft. It feels so comfortable, and my daughter instantly gravitated to it as soon as I opened it from the package. So I think this is going to be hers now, because she has already claimed it. So I might need to order me one for myself. But I love the design. I think they have 3 different designs. So this one is the shy design, and so like a shy emoji. And yeah, that's me. Now far as the pillowcase, as I said, the packaging with their logos, Imperial Home, so beautiful. And the pillowcase, this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the design. The zipper, you can already see it. So this is a zipper. I love that it's closed and you can hardly see the zipper once it's closed up, so it looks like it's sealed all the way around. It looks like it's sealed all the way around. Absolutely love the design, love the color, and the material again is 100% Egyptian cotton. It's so beautiful. This is how it looks on the pillow. As you can see, it snugs on the pillow, and it fits. The pillow is 18 by 18, and the pillowcase is also 18 by 18, but it looks so nice. Cute little accent piece. Let's rest that right there. See how beautiful that is. Hand towel and the washcloth. Oh, so this is a face towel or hand towel, I'm gonna be sure guys. And this is the washcloth. Love the size, again love the material. So let me open this for you guys. First of all, can we just take a moment to appreciate the packaging? Look at that, I love this. This is so cute. The packaging came with their logo, and I just love the way it feels, and the gold just makes it look so luxurious. Look at that, so cute guys. Okay guys, so this is a towel. It's so long. I love the material guys. It feels so soft. Their products are made from 100% Egyptian cotton, so pure authentic Egyptian cotton. Oh, and it smells so good. Normally when you get new stuff, it smells like the package, but this does not. It legit smells so good, and it feels so soft to my skin guys. And I love the length of it, because you know some towels I can't wrap it all the way around, like it's too short, and it's either too short or it can't completely fit around my body. So I love the length of this guys. The material is Egyptian long stable cotton, green environmental protection, and picked. And guys, all their products are certified by the Cotton Egyptian Association for purity. It's 100% authentic Egyptian cotton. I want to thank Imperial's Home for sending me these products. Absolutely love them, and I'll leave a link in the description box to their website so you can go ahead and check them out. Have a blessed day. You like it?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
so soft.
It's soft?
Yeah.
Oh. So guys, all the products on Imperial's home website is made from 100% Egyptian long stable cotton. The material is organic. It provides green environmental protection. It's hand-picked. It's natural with no pollen, and it fits all sensitive skin type. They also offer a wide variety of products. Throw pillows can be used all over your home, in your car, wherever. Guys, I am challenging you to try this 5-minute challenge. So you can set the timer to 5 minutes and you can try tackling one room at a time and just see how much you get done. And this is a good practice because it really helps you to keep on top of things and keep a tidy home, so that way you're not constantly feeling overwhelmed when it's time for you to actually clean. And if you have a basket or a bin, just dump everything in it. Don't worry about sorting anything. Just dump everything, especially the kids' toys. Dump everything in a basket and just put it away and where it belongs. Trust me, it works. Right now I'm not worried about sorting anything. Whatever fits in the basket, that's what I'm going to dump in it. And that's what works for me. So guys, we're about to come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day, y'all. I love y'all.